Are you ready to unleash your creativity with tools that can transform your imagination into digital masterpieces? Well, get your styluses ready, because today at the Gadget Corner, we're diving into the future of digital art. From sleek design marvels to powerhouse performers, we're counting down the top 5 best drawing tablets for 2024. Whether you're a budding artist or a professional graphic designer, these gadgets are about to make your artistic journey smoother and more spectacular. And the best part? You can get your hands on any of these tablets through the links provided in the pinned comment and description below. So stay tuned, and let's find out which tablet can give your creativity a new canvas. Kicking off our countdown at number 5, we have the Wacom Intuos Pro. This tablet isn't just a tool, it's a staple in the art world, renowned for its reliability and precision. Why do professionals swear by it? Well, let me paint you a picture. First up, the star of the show, the Wacom Pro Pen 2. This pen isn't just any stylus, it's a magic wand for your artwork. With outstanding pressure sensitivity, it offers you unmatched control over line weight, making every stroke exactly as you envision. Whether it's fine hairlines or bold shading, this pen responds to the slightest pressure change, allowing your creativity to flow unimpeded. But that's not all. The Intuos Pro isn't just about drawing, it's about interacting with your art in a way that feels natural. Thanks to its multi-touch surface, you can zoom, scroll, and navigate through your creations with simple gestures, almost like touching the canvas itself. And for artists on the go, this tablet has you covered with its wireless connectivity. No more cords tying you down. Enjoy the freedom to create anywhere, anytime. Plus, it's slim and lightweight, which means it can be your constant companion, whether you're in a cafe or on a train. So, if you're looking for a drawing tablet that combines tradition with technology, the Wacom Intuos Pro is a classic choice that won't let you down. Check out the link in the pinned comment to grab one for yourself. Moving up our list to number 4, let's talk about the Huion Kamvas Pro 12. This tablet is a game changer for both beginner and intermediate artists who are looking for top-tier features without breaking the bank. So, what makes the Kamvas Pro 12 stand out in the crowded market of drawing tablets? First off, it's the champion of affordability with premium features. This tablet is proof that you don't have to spend a fortune to get professional-grade tools. The fully laminated display is a highlight, minimizing the annoying parallax effect often found in lesser tablets, giving you a more natural drawing experience as if your pen is really touching the digital canvas. Now let's dive into the visuals. The Kamvas Pro 12 boasts a stunning 2.5K QHD display that brings your creations to life with sharp clarity and impressive color accuracy. Every hue pops, making it a joy to paint, design, or sketch. And here's something for artists who hate interruptions: the battery-free pen. Forget the hassle of charging. This pen is always ready when inspiration strikes. Plus, the inclusion of customizable shortcut keys right at your fingertips boosts your efficiency, allowing you to create more in less time. For those who value both quality and cost-effectiveness, the Huion Kamvas Pro 12 is a solid contender. Sliding into the number 3 spot on our list, we have the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle. This package isn't just a drawing tablet, it's a comprehensive toolkit that caters to the versatile needs of modern digital artists. Let's unpack what makes this bundle a fantastic choice for creatives of all stripes. Firstly, it's all about the extras. The bundle includes not just the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium, but also a quick keys remote with customizable buttons and a sleek carrying case for artists on the move. This means you're equipped from day one with everything needed to create art efficiently, whether at home or on the road. When it comes to performance, the Xencelabs tablet shines with its exceptional pen. It offers a whopping 8192 levels of pressure sensitivity and tilt recognition, allowing for intricate shading and varied line widths that mimic traditional drawing tools. The result? A seamless and intuitive drawing experience that feels as close to pen on paper as possible. Don't let its full features fool you. This bundle remains an affordable gem. It stands as a strong competitor to higher-priced options like the Wacom Cintiqs, offering top-notch quality without the steep price tag. Plus, with its thin and lightweight design, this tablet is perfect for artists who need a reliable tool that's easy to carry. Compatibility? No issue there. Whether you're a Windows devotee or a macOS enthusiast, or even if you're operating on Linux, Chrome OS, or Android, this tablet has you covered, ensuring a smooth workflow across multiple operating systems. Interested in exploring more about the Xencelabs Pen Tablet Medium Bundle? Dive into the details and grab yours through the link in our pinned comment. This might just be the all-in-one solution you've been searching for. As we near the top of our list, landing at number 2 is the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24, a powerhouse of a tablet designed for the professional artist who demands nothing but the best. Let's delve into why this drawing tablet is a dream for serious creators. Imagine working on a vast 24-inch canvas with a 4K resolution that not only enlarges your workspace, but also enriches every detail with stunning clarity. The Cintiq Pro 24 offers exactly that, delivering a true pen-on-paper feel that can transform how you interact with your digital creations. But it's not just about size, it's about superior quality. The tablet excels in color fidelity, boasting an industry-leading 99% Adobe RGB color gamut. This ensures that what you see on screen is what you get in print, making it a perfect match for high-stakes projects that demand professional-grade color accuracy. Enter the Wacom Pro Pen 3. This pen isn't just a tool, it's your creative ally. It provides exceptional pressure, sensitivity, and tilt recognition, all while maintaining virtually no lag, giving you an incredibly responsive experience that feels intuitive from the first stroke. For those who love customization, the Cintiq Pro 24 doesn't disappoint. It comes equipped with built-in shortcut buttons, express keys, and a programmable touch strip, all designed to streamline your workflow and keep your favorite tools at your fingertips. And let's not overlook its robust build. Designed for durability and sustained heavy use, it includes a sturdy stand that can be adjusted to find your perfect drawing angle, ensuring comfort during those long creative sessions. And now, the moment we've all been waiting for, the top spot on our list. Taking the crown for the best drawing tablet of 2024 is the unparalleled iPad Pro 6th generation. This isn't just a tablet, it's a complete mobile studio for artists who crave the ultimate blend of performance, versatility, and mobility. Let's dive into what sets the iPad Pro apart as the leader in its class. Power? The iPad Pro has it in spades, thanks to the mighty M1 chip, which blasts through the most demanding art applications with ease, ensuring a smooth, responsive experience whether you're sketching, painting, or editing. The visual experience is just as impressive. Featuring a Liquid Retina XDR display on the 12.9-inch model, it presents stunning visuals characterized by exceptional clarity, a wide color gamut, and radiant brightness. This means your art looks vibrant and true to life, with every detail popping just as you intended. Let's talk about the Apple Pencil 2nd generation. This tool is more than just a stylus, it's a conduit for your creativity, offering natural, fluid drawing with advanced tilt and pressure sensitivity. This precision allows for nuanced artwork, from delicate shading to dynamic strokes, all with pixel-perfect accuracy. Portability is a huge plus. The iPad Pro is incredibly slim and light, making it the perfect companion for artists on the move. Whether you're capturing inspiration in a cafe or on a mountaintop, this tablet is ready to go wherever your creativity takes you. And the app ecosystem? Unmatched. With access to top-tier art apps like Procreate, Adobe Photoshop, and Clip Studio Paint, the iPad Pro turns into whatever you need it to be: a sketchbook, canvas, design studio, or editing suite, all at your fingertips. And there you have it, our roundup of the top 5 best drawing tablets for 2024, tailored to help you find the perfect match for your artistic needs and ambitions. From portable wonders like the iPad Pro to professional powerhouses like the Wacom Cintiq Pro 24, each of these tablets brings something unique to the table. Remember, the right tools can unlock your potential and bring your creative visions to life with ease and precision. Don't forget to check out the links in the pinned comment and description below to get detailed information on each tablet and make your purchase. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting your artistic journey, these tablets are designed to enhance your creativity and streamline your workflow. Thanks for watching the Gadget Corner. If you found this video helpful, give us a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tech insights and reviews. Drop a comment below to let us know which tablet caught your eye or if there's another gadget you'd like us to review. Until next time, keep creating and stay inspired.